Hello, welcome along Dyke Junction. A little catch up. You can see it's all looking a little bit sparse here now. Only a couple of trains left. They've all been boxed up, they've been listed at the moment as we speak. There's a few running. I'm not going to totally get rid of them all until you know, there's no rush to take or do anything with this down here. I'm so busy up here, waiting for some points to come. And we've got a new addition. We've got another BR Mark 1 coach. He's a little bit on the wobbly side, I've noticed, but I don't have a chance to do anything with it. I'll just put it on. See if he's wobbling a bit, or look at that. That's the one I didn't have any wheels for. You can see the reason why now. Well, I did have wheels, and they were the solid brass ones. And of course, they were shorting out on the track. They must have been off a garden railway where they had a radio controlled situation going. Because there couldn't have been any power in the track, wherever they came from last time. So there we are, so they're going, so this came. This LMS coach. I've got to put some hooks and chains on them and cut the, it's an old email, the others. I've got to cut the coupling bits off and then put some chains to the bottom of the chassis and 3 links. I've got those, 3 chains a day. Just haven't got around to doing it yet, and I've taken the wheels out of that and put in the blue one, but looking at the way the blue one's running, I'm not happy with it. Looks like I'll be swapping them back. So we'll see what happens there, but it's only got a spare set of, well, I need a spare set of wheels really, but I haven't even looked for any yet. That one's got people in the back as well as passengers. I'm just trying to see I just wanted to see with the 3 coach train what sort of room I've got to manoeuvre on the straights. And as you can see, it's not that bad when we straighten up now. And of course behind me is a bit longer. So if you look at that there, this is coming off the bend, so we've got a fair little run of straight, probably get another coach on. And it wouldn't look out of place. So yeah, that's the crack with that. But yeah, as you can see, I'm in the process of wiring these tracks up here, so that's why everything's hanging down at the moment. Some of the stuff is gone, it's all boxed up, ready to go. Just listing it at the moment. I've just left some locals here, my favourite ones really. The HST and the 66, the 37, the 153. And the 60. Yeah. So just to show you, I haven't had any renags on the plans. Still probably go ahead as it is. This is a bit of a trial and error. This. I'm only basing this green line on the strength of this here. You know, I'm taking that straight piece out. I'm imagining it working down here, and it'll follow the sort of same line as it is up there. So there's a nice straight run over this side, look, as it comes off the curve. You know, the 3 coaches don't overpower the layouts because of the straight run, in my opinion. I don't know what you think. I mean, I've got 3 coaches on there and a DVT, which say 4 coaches. And to be honest with you, it doesn't look out of place for the size. This is what I'm thinking. This is why I'm doing this video. So there we are. Happy days at Dyke Junction. I'll catch you again. I'll leave you with the trains for 2 minutes. Number one, have you? Start the 66. A little bit of background. Packs a lot of power, that pannier. 3 big heavy coaches and she can still put it on. Look at that. I'll catch you again. Bye for now.